Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prevent accidental edits in Microsoft Loop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your workspaces and can manage page permissions properly. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with all your available workspaces. Go ahead and click on the workspace or project where you want to lock a page. This will open up all the content within that particular workspace, giving you access to the pages you've created or collaborated on. Now look at the left side of your screen where you'll find a list of all your pages within this workspace. Click on the specific page you want to protect from accidental edits. This could be a finalized document, an important reference page, or any content you want to preserve exactly as it is. Once your page is open and you can see all its content displayed on your screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon there. Click on this icon to reveal additional options for managing your page. This menu contains various settings that control how your page behaves and who can interact with it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Lock Page. This feature is specifically designed to prevent any accidental changes to your content while still allowing people to view it. It's particularly useful when you have finalized content that needs to remain unchanged or when multiple team members have access and you want to avoid unintentional modifications. Next to the Lock Page option, you'll see a toggle button. Click on this toggle to enable the page lock feature. Once activated, this setting will protect your page from being edited by anyone, including yourself, until you decide to unlock it again. The page will remain visible and readable, but no one will be able to make changes to the content, formatting, or structure. And that's it. Your Microsoft Loop page is now locked and protected from accidental edits. This gives you peace of mind knowing your important content stays exactly as you intended. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.